Hi guys, so we're going to do descriptives in statcrunch. So the first step is our problem that we will be working on, and this is from chapter 4. Um, these are the results of students who participated in an experiment to test their ability to determine when 1 minute has passed. We're going to find the range and standard deviation for this given sample. And of course, I already have the answers in here so you can see what we're going to end up with. The range is going to be 20 seconds and the sample standard deviation is going to be 8.0 seconds. So first off, we're going to go to this little icon and we're going to open it in statcrunch, which I think is the best part of statcrunch, is it just all of your data automatically goes right over here. And here we all have it in var1 down in this column. So we're going to go over to stat and we're going to go to summary stats and then columns, since our data is in a column. And then we're going to select var1 since that's where all of our data is. And then we don't really have to do anything else. You can store in a data table if you want, but I'm just going to compute. Here we are. Our standard deviation was 8.0. Here we are right here with that. It comes up with all of these other things too, like the mean, the median, and all of that, but we only needed for this the range, which is 20, and that standard deviation right there. And we can actually, I'll go right back over here so you can see how we ended up with that. So that is how you find information, and even if it had this and then it asked for, median, range, all of that, it would be the same steps and you would have all of that information. I chose that problem specifically because it also gives you the standard deviation, and I thought that was a really cool feature as well. Alright, thank you guys.